licença. Peço por favor, o trem tá passando. Por favor, suba a bordo, pegue sua passagem. É só alegria, então não perca essa viagem. Vem! Olha o trem! Tá da hora!
We at my sister's volleyball game right now. Look at this.
Where's she at?
Alright, so she's number 8.
Better lock in.
Alright, so right here, that was my little sister that just did that. That's my first of all, this is my sister's first year playing volleyball, bro. So she don't even know how to play volleyball, bro. But the fact that she out here doing it and she trying it, bro, I just want to say I'm proud of you. If you watching this video, keep doing your thing, you feel me? Just keep, like, and shout out to that little girl that said good job to you, bro. Like, she's a W friend. Because even though you fucked up, she said good job. So, W friend. Alright, we got the whole gym to ourselves, feel me? Some biceps real quick. You been eating more too?
Yeah.
You gotta also eat more. That way, your diet matters a lot. And curls to get your arms warmed up. You know. You get up, twist, keep your elbows tucked.
I hate to do this, but I am shutting everything down.
Alright.
So, you can head out.
Really,
I
nigga?
apologize.
No, it's okay. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. We open back up at 9 a.m. We're open 9 to midnight.
Okay, thank you so much. Bro, I haven't made a cooking video in mad long. It's currently 4:25. I got class at 5 p.m. I haven't ate all day. We're still on the cut. She did eat something today. I ate a yogurt and a protein shake. That's all. But that was my breakfast. I weigh 165. We at 165. The cut goal is 150. We're at 15 pounds away, and we have until January. So the cut is going good. I could sort of like put my calories a little higher now, and my gym sessions are shorter now because I be getting tired now. Like, I barely got energy. I'm cutting, bro. It's bad. So I haven't cooked all day. I got class at 5. I've been in the mood. Recently, my diet has been heavy, like fish and eggs and egg whites. Since I'm cutting, eggs is good because they have a lot of protein. When you're cutting, you want to get a lot of protein in because protein helps you keep fuller and it's gonna help you build more muscle. Carbs, you don't want to like not eat. Obviously, you want to eat more protein so that you could be fuller throughout the day. I usually just eat the salmon by itself, but since I haven't ate today, I have a lot of calories. You have a lot of calories. You might as well just use them, right? Let's go. Right here, we got our fish. What I like to do is get my scale. 145 grams of salmon. I'm gonna put that in my little food calculator so I can know how many, like, I don't know how many calories are in it. I wanna know how much protein, carbs, and fat. It is about 128 calories and 27 grams of protein and 1 gram of fat. 0 calorie spray. skin side down, like medium heat, like 6-5 type shit. To do right here, y'all can start hearing it. What I like to do is I like to add a little bit of water and then close with a lid. What this does, y'all see the water is gonna turn into vapor, and then you got the lid is gonna help it cook and make the salmon juicier. And the bottom is already searing since you put the heat type high. So yeah, that's some little cooking class with JDO. This is 12 grams of protein in a tortilla, so let's get it. First of all, why I say tortilla like that? Like I'm not Mexican. Tortilla! Once the skin starts to cook, I like to flip it on the side. This is ground paprika. That I don't care about. What I care about is the fish. Salmon itself has a lot of flavor, so you don't really need to season it. But as y'all can see right here, this is what our salmon looking like. Shit, it's about to be done. Cover it up. Put the heat up a little. Mozzarella, but fat free. I'm gonna show you how the salmon real quick. First of all, I gotta make sure it's cooked. Put the fork in there. This is how you make sure it's cooked, alright? Let me put you onto the game. You put the fork in here. If you're able to take it out like that, and there's nothing in here, that is cooked. That's if you don't want to mess it up. Or you could just split it in half. Yeah, this John cooked. It's 0 calories. I could put a lot of this and feel like I'm eating like not so healthy, you feel me? So it's like, that's the thing about losing weight, guys. I feel like it's just about eating healthy, but not feeling like you're eating healthy, you know? And it's hard sometimes, it's not easy, like, you have to search up, you really gotta do your research on stuff, you gotta like search up the calories, you gotta do all that work. But at the end of the day, you wanna look good or not? Hey, wrong. Not just look good, feel good. A lot of people are gonna say that I'm wrong, but your diet is way more important than you going to the gym. What you eat, what you put in your body is way more important than you going to the gym. I'm telling you that right now. You could literally have the best gym routine, but if you're eating like shit, bro, and you're not counting your macros, if you're not searching up what you're eating, bro, like you're gonna fucking overeat, and even if you work out a lot, you're not gonna know if you're in a calorie deficit, so you're not gonna really know if you're losing weight or not. And that's that. Cheers. You already know I have to give me the Diet Coke. It's currently 4:48. I got class at 5 p.m. I literally have class in 12 minutes. I still have not finished eating, but I'm gonna review this food for y'all real quick. Total macros for 2 of these burritos, or tacos, or whatever you wanna call it. I'm just saying burrito left. This one's mad good. This one got more cheese. My bad for talking with my mouth open, but yo. The other one, this one, the tortilla was hard, look. I burnt the tortilla. But this one's so That chicken busting, yumbo. Oh, someone busting my ass. That chicken busting, yumbo.
Banging yumbo. No, that shit ass, right? That chicken banging yumbo.
Total meal right here, these 2 burritos, is a total of 300 calories, 312, and 51 grams of protein. That one was busting. Real tough. Yo, that burrito was busting, yo. Now I'm about to go to class. I'm probably not gonna record that. Yo, my stomach already hurting, bro. Damn. I'm gonna catch y'all when I get back from class and we gonna hit the gym. That's gonna be the video. Alright, bro. I'm gonna see ya. Say that.